When it comes to the topic of extinct animals, the Tasmanian tiger remains on the top animals on that list. The Tasmanian tiger, also known as Thylacine, which was declared extinct in 1936. Officially, the declaration of Tasmanian tiger extinction by international standards was declared later in 1982. Though the Thylacine has been declared extinct, some recent video footage circulating on the internet that appears convincing enough to suggest the possible presence of a small population of Thylacine in its former habitats. The Thylacine historically lived in the geographical areas like New Guinea, mainland Australia and Tasmania. Some fossils are found in New Guinea that provides evidence of Thylacine presence during Pleistocene epoch. During this period of time, New Guinea was connected to Australia. Once Thylacine widespread across all Australian states except driest central deserts of Australia. But due to competitions with dingoes, which are wild dogs, and human pressures, Thylacine got extinct from Australia about 2,000 to 3,000 years ago. As dingoes never reached Tasmania and human settlers came later, Tasmania became the last natural refuge of Thylacine. During 19th century, Europeans started to colonize in Tasmania. They brought sheep farming to Tasmania that led to conflict with Thylacine. Farmers blamed that Thylacine killed their animals, often unfairly, so they began shooting and trapping them. To protect livestock, the Tasmanian government introduced a bounty of £1 per adult and 10 shillings per pup. Over 2,000 Thylacine were killed under this program. When the government noticed the decline of Thylacine, it was too late. By the 1920s, Thylacine's sighting had become rare. The last captive Thylacine, named Benjamin, died in Hobart Zoo on 7 September 1936. Colossal Biosciences are trying to bring Thylacine back. In 9 May 2025, they have announced that the genome of the Thylacine have been fully sequenced and that vital stem cells have been created. Kangaroo, Tasmanian devil, numbat and dunnart are relatives to Thylacine. Colossal Biosciences aims to alter the DNA of the dunnart, which is considered to be the closest relatives of the Thylacine. Researchers believe that the species could return in within as little as 8 years.